The roofing industry, it's a wild west out there. I'm Joe with Integrity Home Exteriors, and I hate to say it, there are some shady practices homeowners need to watch out for. Choosing a roofing contractor is a big decision, and unfortunately, not everyone plays by the rules. Today, we're going to shed some light on the dark side of the roofing industry right here from my desk. From shady workmanship to hidden fees, there's a lot of ways homeowners can get ripped off. Let's dive in and expose some of the most common problems. First, subpar workmanship. Some contractors will cut corners to save time and money, leaving you with a roof that leaks, sags, or needs replacing way too soon. Or you'll have hidden fees and bait and switch tactics. Lowball estimates might look tempting, but watch out for surprise charges that pop up later. Number 3, poor communication and unresponsiveness. Some contractors disappear once they have your money, leaving you with unanswered questions and unfinished work. Or 4, outright scams. Unfortunately, there are some scammers out there who prey on unsuspecting homeowners. They might use tactics in the business that aren't ethical. They might demand all of your money up front or even disappear with your money once they get it. But don't worry, there's hope. By knowing what to look for, you can avoid these pitfalls and choose a contractor you can trust. Always get everything in writing and ask for proof of insurance and licensing. Don't be afraid to ask questions. A reputable contractor will be happy to provide clear answers. At Integrity Home Exteriors, we believe in transparency, honesty, and quality workmanship. We're committed to building better, not just roofs, but also relationships built on trust. Don't let the bad apples spoil the bunch. Choose a contractor with integrity. Thanks for watching.